Fun shapes for kids. Learn with playful activities. Hey kids! Are you ready to learn about shapes in a super fun way? Let's go on an exciting adventure to discover different shapes all around us. Circle. Look at this shape. It's a circle. A circle is round and smooth, just like the sun or a yummy pizza. Can you find a circle around you? Maybe a clock or a ball. Activity: find 3 round objects in your home and draw them. Square. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides, just like a gift box or a window. Can you name something square-shaped around you? Activity: draw a square and turn it into a fun picture, like a robot or a house. Triangle. Here's a triangle. It has 3 sides, just like a slice of pizza or a mountain. Can you make a triangle with your hands? Try it. Activity: connect the dots to form a triangle and color it in. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, like a door or a book. Can you find something shaped like a rectangle? Activity: look around your room. How many rectangles can you find? Oval. Meet the oval. It's like a stretched out circle, just like an egg or a balloon. Activity: draw an oval and turn it into something fun, like a balloon or a football. Star. Look up. It's a star. It has 5 points and shines bright in the sky. Can you twinkle like a star? Activity: trace the dotted lines to create a star and color it yellow. Heart. This is a heart. It's the shape of love. Can you draw a heart with your hands? Activity: decorate the heart shape with stickers or drawings of things you love. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, just like a honeycomb. Can you find a hexagon around you? Activity: find and color all the hidden hexagons in the picture below. Crescent. This is a crescent. It looks like the moon when it's not full. Can you make a crescent shape with your arms? Activity: draw a crescent moon in the night sky and add some stars. Pentagon. Finally, here's a pentagon. It has 5 sides, just like a home plate in baseball. Activity: cut out a pentagon shape and decorate it with patterns. Wow! You did an amazing job learning about shapes today. Now, it's time for a bonus challenge. Go on a shape hunt. Walk around your home or outside and write down all the different shapes you see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Waving hand sign, smiling face.